Hey guys! Welcome back to Naimesh Explores. Today, we're diving into the vibrant and bustling world of Thailand's floating markets. Join me as we explore the famous Pattaya Floating Market, where we'll uncover hidden gems, taste delicious local food, and immerse ourselves in the rich culture of Thailand. This market is a must-visit for anyone traveling to Pattaya, offering a unique glimpse into the country's rich history and traditions. So, let's embark on this exciting journey together. Floating markets are a quintessential part of Thai culture. Originating centuries ago, these markets were created to facilitate trade and transportation along the waterways. Over time, they have evolved into vibrant hubs of activity, showcasing the best of Thai cuisine, crafts, and culture. Today, they serve as a unique and colorful glimpse into Thailand's past, while also offering a delightful array of food, souvenirs, and cultural experiences. Our journey begins with a visit to the Pattaya Floating Market, located in the heart of Pattaya. Pattaya Floating Market is one of the largest and most popular floating markets in Thailand. Here, you can ride a traditional wooden boat along the canals, where vendors sell everything from tropical fruits to handmade crafts. As we glide through the canal, the vibrant atmosphere is palpable. The smell of freshly cooked Thai food wafts through the air, mingling with the sounds of vendors calling out to potential customers. This market truly has something for everyone. Besides food, the market is filled with beautiful handmade items. You can find intricate wood carvings, traditional clothing, and unique souvenirs. As we continue exploring, you'll notice that Pattaya Floating Market is a vibrant mix of colors and sounds. Each boat is a mini shop, with vendors selling everything from fresh fruits and vegetables to handmade crafts and clothing. The atmosphere is bustling yet charming, with the sound of paddles dipping into the water and vendors calling out to customers. A quick tip for you explorers: when you stop at one of the many stalls, make sure to remember your boat's name. It will help you find your way back amidst the bustling activity. While exploring, you might notice different types of boats, those with engines and those paddled by hand. To help preserve the environment and support local traditions, I recommend opting for the paddle boats. Plus, you get to interact with the friendly paddlers and hear their stories. These paddlers often have fascinating tales about the market's history and the local culture, adding an extra layer of depth to your experience. Next, let's delve into the cultural highlights of Pattaya Floating Market. One of the must-try dishes here is the Thai stuffed omelette or kayat sai. It's filled with minced meat, vegetables, and seasoned to perfection. Arwa mak ka, very delicious. You can also enjoy performances of traditional Thai dance and music, which add to the rich cultural experience. The market often hosts events and festivals, showcasing Thai customs and traditions, making it a great place to learn more about the local culture. One of the highlights of Pattaya Floating Market is the boat tour. For a small fee, you can enjoy a serene ride through the canals, passing by local neighborhoods, temples, and lush gardens. It's a fantastic way to see a different side of Pattaya, often referred to as the Venice of the East. This tour offers a glimpse into the everyday lives of the locals, who rely on these waterways for their daily activities. The peaceful boat ride allows you to take in the beautiful scenery and experience the tranquil side of Pattaya. Whether you're in Bangkok or Pattaya, the floating markets of Thailand offer an unforgettable experience. From the vibrant atmosphere to the mouth-watering food and unique cultural insights, there's something magical about these markets. They are a testament to Thailand's rich history and the resilience of its people. I hope you enjoyed this tour as much as I did. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Naimesh Explores for more exciting adventures. Next, we're heading to the Damnoen Saduak Floating Market in Bangkok. It's just a 40-minute drive from the city center and is perfect for a relaxing day trip. The floating section here is smaller, but the market on land is massive. You can find a variety of street food, antiques, clothes, and more. Whether you're in Bangkok or Pattaya, the floating markets of Thailand offer an unforgettable experience. From the vibrant atmosphere to the mouth-watering food and unique cultural insights, there's something magical about these markets. They are a testament to Thailand's rich history and the resilience of its people. I hope you enjoyed this tour as much as I did. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Naimesh Explores for more exciting adventures. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore the most beautiful island in Thailand and share 5 reasons why we love it so much. Until next time, happy exploring!